How to buy Pepe Coin on Trust Wallet. Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I'm back with yet another video on crypto basics, and today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to buy Pepe on your Trust Wallet account. To learn how, keep watching the video until the very end. First of all, go ahead and tap on Trust Wallet app, and then go ahead and tap on buy option, which is at the top middle, and then search for Pepe. At the search box, go ahead and click on the only option available, and then the value of that crypto will be available in your currency. You can always change the currency by tapping on the little flag at the top, and then go ahead and tap on buy with Google Pay. Now you will be entering in a different website where it will ask for your card details. Go ahead and provide them with your card number, expiration date and name on card, and then go ahead and check in the box, and then go ahead and tap on next. After you tap on next, you are good to go. That's how you can easily buy Pepe on your Trust Wallet application. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press on the notification bell icon so that you will be notified in future. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye until then.